Now we're going to talk about implicit animations. We use implicit animations when we don't want to hassle up with the animation controller and we don't want to maintain the animation by ourselves. So we use implicit animations. So let me show you in the code what we are going to do. So as you can see, I have a black container here. So I want to animate the opacity of this container. For this, what we can do, we can take help of animated opacity. So animated opacity is a implicitly animated widget. So what does this mean? So to use implicitly animated widget, we need to only provide the property which is going to be changed, and that property is going to trigger the animation, and all the animation work will be handled by this implicitly animated widget. So here in this case, it's going to handle the opacity. So whenever the opacity is going to change, it will trigger the animation. So here we need to create opacity variable and we will provide the initial opacity 1, and also we can use dart math to get random class. Now we can create a random class object and we will use this object to generate random opacity value. Now we can pass this opacity and also let's print this opacity. So when I'm clicking here, the opacity is changing, but it's not triggering the animation. So to solve this, what we need to do, we need to use set state, because the animation will not be triggered unless we rebuild this animated opacity. So now if I click here, as you can see, it's changing the opacity, but this set state is rebuilding everything. So to solve this, what we can do, we can take help of value notifier. Right now we can use value enable builder. Also here we can use dot value, and now we can remove set state and we can remove this statement. Let me hot restart. So now we have optimized our implicitly animated widget. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.